Welcome to this quick overview of batch type integrations in the DCKAP Integrator. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a batch type integration. Batch type integrations perform synchronization either automatically on a scheduled basis in Autopilot Mode or manually through the Sync Now button. Let's explore the process of creating a batch type integration. The first step is to create project. Navigate to the Integrator screen, click on Create Project, and assign a name to your project. Next step is to create batch type integration. To begin, click on the Workflows icon in the left panel. Proceed by clicking Add Workflow. Name your workflow. Choose the batch type, and click Start Building. Let's take a look at how to manually sync a batch type integration with the help of the Sync Now button. In this batch type integration, data flows from the Shopify system to the Salesforce system. The Sync Now button lets you manually start the sync right away, so you don't have to wait for the scheduled sync. When you click Sync Now, the data is synced. And you can check the details in the console logs. Coming up next, let's explore the functionality of Autopilot Mode. Autopilot Mode is built for scheduled and automated updates. After saving your batch type integration workflow, it will appear on the workflow screen. There, you'll find the Autopilot Mode button. Turn it on and set your desired schedule. You can configure the sync to run at predefined intervals, such as minutes, hours, specific days of the month, months, or days of the week, and save it. That's how you create a batch type integration in DCKAP Integrator. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.